departing from Kittenson Library to Poole bus station. Next stop, Felton Road. So this afternoon I'm on 1122, HF58 GZB. ETA to Poole bus station should be about 117 or 120. Haverden Avenue next. Next stop, Ocean Academy. You know, the one thing I like about this part of the 14 is, you know, crossing over other bus routes as well. Like M1s, M2s, 15s, 16s, 17s and X6s as well. Yeah, it's like Longfleet Road's kind of like the main, you know, it's kind of like, you know, little complex for all of the buses because, you know, you've got M1s and M2s and 15s going towards Bournemouth. Yeah, and because the last time I came down here, my college is just down the road from here, and I normally take the M1 and M2. Sometimes sometimes M1s, but sometimes M2s. They can be a bit busy sometimes. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I also like those new ADL E400 MMCs. They're really nice, and yeah.
They're really nice.
Oh, like, have you driven on one of them?
If I do, yes.
Yeah, I know. I've had one once on A3 from Wimborne to Poole there, because I had 1782 going back from Wimborne Square. Yeah, so yeah, I know those new buses quite well. Earlier, I did see 1785 on an X6, one of the new Enviro 400 MMCs. I really like the buses with the 24 reg. They're pretty good. I think these buses are getting old because, you know, they've been in service since 2008.
I like to drive just the Scanias.
Oh, both, like, you know, you like the Scania OMNICities with both 230UD and 270UD chassis. Yeah, they're pretty good. My favourite fleet of bus for Morebus is mostly the Wright Eclipse 2s, also followed by the Enviro 400 MMCs and Enviro 200 MMCs. Oh yeah, I've just seen my bus over there.
Oh, the 40.
Yeah, the 40. That's just arrived. Yeah, normally arrives at 1:15. So we'll probably arrive there. We'll probably get there 1 minute after, because we're due at 17 minutes past 1.